All right, we're here with Danny, and we just finished up the top arch there and getting him back into chewing function there. So we went through big process yesterday, and we have him here for the final review or the initial reveal there for his temporary denture there. So we placed all the implants, we 3D printed it, we put it in the next day. I really think it looks great on the top arch there. So we will. Anything you want to say, Danny, before we do this?
Glad it's over.
He's ready here.
Ready to go for the rest.
But no pain on the top.
No
whatsoever,
pain on the top.
Shocking to me every single time
Yeah.
I hear that. So, but take a look.
Oh, I got teeth. Great.
Yeah, awesome.
Yeah.
So, smile real big.
Yeah, I do have teeth.
Yeah, you do.
So,
Good.
they look really,
Yeah.
really good.
Yeah.